It's those cultists who are with the necromancer. What are they doing to that mine?
Let's not wait to find out. Attack!
Damn these intruders. They must not interfere with the Master's plan.
Let's build a base camp here. With those cultists creeping around, I'd rather not head in there without backup.
I couldn't agree more.
Is there danger?
Yes, me lord. Job's done. Off I go then.
I'm here to help. For honor.
What is it? Job's done. Job's done. Righto. More work? Yes, me lord. Job's done. Ready to work. What? Yes, me lord. Ready to work. All right. More work. Ready to work. Righto. Ready to work. What is it? Yes, me lord. Job's done. Ready to work. More work? All right. Ready to work. What is it? Off I go then. Ready to work. Yes, me lord. Ready to work. Righto. What? All right. Ready to work. More work. Off I go then. Job's done. What is it? Yes, me lord. Job's done. Yes, me lord. Off I go then. Job's done. What? All right. Job's done. What? Job's done. Righto. Ready to work. Job's done.
Research complete.
Yes, me lord. What is it? All right. Yes, me lord. Ready to work. Righto. Yes, me lord. Job's done. Off I go then. Job's done. Yes, me lord. More work. Yes, me lord. What is it? Off I go then.
Our town is under siege.
What? Job's done. Righto.
More gold is required.
More work.
Justice shall be done.
Locked and loaded. More gold is required.
I stand for the light. A sound plan. Of course.
Locked and loaded. Aye, sir. I'll take care of it. You have a target? Aye, I'm your shooter.
The light is my strength. Certainly. For honor. Of course.
Betrayer of the light. Locked and loaded. What do you need? Time to go.
The light is my strength. A sound plan. Certainly. Of course.
Ready for action.
A sound plan. For honor.
Feel my wrath. What do you need? Of course. Ready for action. Yes, my liege. On my way.
Justice shall be done. Certainly. For honor. Of course. Certainly. A sound plan.
Ready for action. Say the word. Aye, my lord.
Our
I'm here
forces
to
are
help.
under attack.
For honor. A sound plan.
What a warning!
Of course. Certainly.
Aye, sir. Okay.
I stand for the light. For honor. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan.
Take your time. Look around.
Is there danger? For honor. A sound plan. Of course. Justice has come.
Our forces are under attack.
I'm here to help. Certainly. I stand for the light. Certainly. Of course. For honor. A sound plan. Of course. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. Certainly.
I'll take care of it.
I am your servant.
Right.
A sound plan. Of course. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor. Of course. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. Of course. A sound plan. For honor. Of course.
I'll check it out.
For honor. A sound plan. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor.
You asked for it.
Certainly. Of course. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. Of course. Of course.
Orders? Aye, my lord. Yes, my liege. Say the word. On my way. Of course.
The light is my strength. Is there danger? Certainly. For honor. the king. A sound plan. For honor.
Hello again, children. I am Kel'Thuzad, and I've come to deliver a warning. Leave well enough alone. Your curiosity will be the death of you.
Are you responsible for this plague, Necromancer? Is this cult your doing?
Yes, I ordered the Cult of the Damned to distribute the plagued grain. But the sole credit is not mine.
What do you mean?
I serve the Dreadlord, Mal'Ganis. He commands the scourge that will cleanse this land and establish a paradise of eternal darkness.
And what exactly is this scourge meant to cleanse?
Why, the living, of course. His plan is already in motion. Seek him out at Stratholme if you need further proof.
I hate resorting to violence. Sounds interesting. I hate resorting to violence.
Our town is under siege.
All the granaries are empty. The shipments have already been sent out. Or too late. Is there danger? I stand for the light. A sound plan. Of course, certainly. A sound plan.
Ready for action.
Certainly.
Our forces are
Of
under
course,
attack.
For honor. Certainly. For honor. Of course. A sound plan. A sound...
Orders? Ready for action.
Justice shall be done. For honor. Of course. Certainly. Of course. Certainly.
Ready for action.
Our old line has collapsed. Our town is under siege.
A sound.
Ready for action.
For honor. Certainly. Foul knave.
Our town is under
The
siege.
light is constrained. The light is constrained. Of course.
You are past redemption.
A sound.
Ready for action.
Naive fool. My death will make little difference in the long run. For now, the scourging of this land begins.